Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Today I will be covering a region puzzle named Araf. So Araf is really a complicated puzzle to solve. Some of the intuitions and logic mixed together. And to my personal experience, it is one of the really complicated puzzle to create. So till now I would have created only 4 or 5 Araf puzzles. So the setter of this puzzle is Murad. Is one of my favorite authors and the best authors in the world. And this puzzle has been taken from gmpuzzles.com, a beautiful site for handcrafted Sudoku and puzzles. Do have a look out for gmpuzzles.com if you are really looking for some very artistic and excellent solve path puzzles. I'll give the link for the gmpuzzles.com and even the link for this puzzle online interface if you want to solve it yourself. So coming on to the puzzle, there are some circles with the numbers in the grid, and we have to divide the cells into regions, right? As it is a region puzzle, the most important rule for the puzzle will be dividing the grid into regions, and each cell should be part of one region. So there cannot be a cell which is not part of any of the region, and each region will have exactly two numbers in it. So by this we can conclude that there will be exactly even number of circles in the grid, right? So each region will have exactly two numbers, and the number between those two numbers will be the number of cells in that region. For example, if 1 and 13 are a part of one region, then the number of cells in that region will be the number equal to somewhere between 1 and 13. It cannot be 1 or it cannot be 13, but it should be exactly between them. So you can have 12 cells in this region, or 11 or 10 or even 2. So it can have only 2 cells in this region, right? But you cannot have 13. So the number of cells in that region should exactly be number between those two circles. The number between those two numbers in the region, which are in the circles. So let us start this puzzle. There are few intuition point logic also here, but I will try to explain as easily as possible. And even you have some reachability technique also in this puzzle, so I will even explain you that. Let us start the puzzle. For starting the puzzle, let us see this 3. This is the most important clue here to start the puzzle. And if you see this 3, it cannot connect with the 2 because you will have only 2 cell region. I mean to say you should have exactly number between 2 and 3 for the number of cells in that region, which is not possible. You can not even have the 4. It cannot connect to both of these 4s. So this 3 has to connect to some other circle, and what is that circle? So it cannot be inside this area, it has to come outside. It cannot connect to this one because it will form a 3 cell region minimum, and you can just extend it to 4 cell or 5 cell, which is again not possible because you have to have number between 1 and 3, which is only 2, but it is forming a 3 cell region. Let us extend it to up, and if you see now, this 3 can connect to exactly 3 other cells. The one number is 10, the other number is 8, 7 is quite far for it because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is quite far. For the 8, it has reachability of 6 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the third number is 14. So out of these 3 numbers, one number is perfect for the 3 and other 2 numbers will contradict. So let us see what numbers. Let us go with the 14 first. What happens if it connects to the 14 somewhere like this, or any way? However it connects, it has to connect only this way. It cannot come around because the number of cells will increase, right? It will be more than 14. So let us assume that this 14 is connected to the 3. Now if you see this 4 is stranded now. This 2 has the possibility to connect this to this 4. This 4 cannot connect to this 4 because you cannot have same numbers in a region. You won't have number of cells, exact number of cells to be connected. And this 4 cannot be connected to the 2 also. And it cannot connect to the 5. So all the numbers that are with the reach of 4 has been eliminated with its connection, and we get a contradiction for this 4. So exactly we have eliminated one of the possibility of the 3, which is 14. The other possibility is 8, right? Let us see what happens if we connect this 3 with the 8. Sorry. So let us see what happens if we connect this 3 with the 8. Again let us see this 4. Now the exact combination for the other cell for the 4 is 14. It cannot go towards the 9 because it will have exactly 9 cells. You need to have exactly number between those 4 and 9, which is not possible. You will have exactly 9 cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and it cannot reach 12 because it is too far, either the 13 or no other cell. It has only 14. So anyway, if it connects to the 14, this cell is stranded now. The 5 has no number to be connected. This 4 will connect to the 2, right? And this 5 cannot connect to the 6 because it is just one number away, one number greater than the 5, and it cannot connect to the 2 also because the minimum number of cells needed to connect with the 2 is 5, which is again not possible, right? So anyway, this 4, this 3 is not connected to the 8. So the only number now remaining for the 3 is 10. So we got to know that the 10 and the 3 are the possible connections. This one cannot connect to the 2, so it has to extend, and now we got the 10 connection. We are not still sure about the number of cells in between the 3 and 10 because we have already marked 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So 7 cells are already marked. It can even have 8 and 9 cells. You can even have like this, right? So at most you can get up to 9 cells. So we cannot close the region now. It can even go this way, it can even go this way, it can even go this way, or it might not go anywhere else and just have the 7 cell connection. So we will not mark the borders now. This one will go towards the left to need a connection to the other cell. That means this 2 has to connect to the 5, right? But it is still not a perfect region. It can even have 4 cells in this region. So this is what makes this puzzle a bit complicated. Even after the connection, we are not sure that the number of cells in this region are achieved or not. So this one cannot connect to the 5. It has to go up, and the only number now I can see for the one connection is 11, because 13 is too far for it. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So exactly 13 cells away from the 1. So it has to connect to the 11 only, and it has to have this way. Even this way is not possible. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 no. So these 3 cells are for sure. So this one will either go this way or this way. Now how many numbers we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the 10th number will be somewhere here. So we are sure that there is no other cell in this region that can be extended anywhere, and it has to be either this cell or this cell, right? Now if you see this 3, it has to go somewhere, and the only way for it to connect to other cells is this way, right? So this 4 has to go somewhere, which means that these 2 and 4 are connecting each other. What happens if they are not connected to each other? This 4 will go out and this 2 is stranded, or this 2 will go out and this 4 is stranded. So we got to know that these 2 and 4 are connection between forming a region. And let's see for this 4 now. This 4 has exactly one number. Actually you have 2 numbers, but one number will contradict, as same as the earlier logic. You have 8 and 14. 7 is exactly 7 cells far, so it has to be minimum of 6 cells far, maximum of 6 cells far actually. So seeing this, the 4 if goes with the 14, again we get the earlier logic that this 5 is stranded. This 4 will go with the 2, and then this 5 will either go with the 6 or with the 2, but both the ways it will contradict. So the only number possible for this 4 is 8, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 cells here. At a maximum we can get only one cell with the connection. Now if you see this cell, exactly the reachability problem, the reachability technique what I said earlier was, this cell has to be taken by any one of the region, which cannot be by this region, because 4 and 2 will connect either this way or this way, and it forms a region because it can have only 3 cells in the region, the number between 2 and 4. And this cell cannot be taken by the 4 because we know that it is connecting to the 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, it can be max 7. Now this cell can only be taken by 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have formed a region between 3 and 10. Now exactly again this cell. Now this cell cannot be taken by 3 because we have already formed a region of 9 cells, and it cannot be of a 10 cell region, and this cell cannot be connected by 4 and 2 also. Now this cell can only connect to the 4, and we have got 4 and 8 being 7 cells region. So the 8 has to go somewhere, connect to this 4 and form a 7 cell region. Now this cell cannot connect to the 4, then it will have 9 cells in that region, 8 cells in that region, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, if you connect, you will have 8 cells. So this 2 and this 4 are connected to each other this way. So this cell has to connect with the 4 and the 2, and we got the connection. Now if you see this cell, it cannot form a connection between 8 and 4, because anyhow it will form a 8 cell in that region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at any point of time, this cell cannot be connected with the 8, and let us come out. Now this cell again cannot go upwards, because then 4 and 8 has a connection here. So the 4 and 8 connection are already done now. Now this cell has to connect with the 1, and it has to extend because it cannot go with the 3. It has to extend, this also has to extend. If you see this cell now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it can either connect with the 7 or 9. But if it connects with the 7, you have exactly 7 cells in that region, not being the number between 1 and 7. It has to connect with the 9, and the 3 has to connect with the 5, forming a 4 cell region, and the region is completed. Right, now the 1 can still extend to form an 8 cell region. We have already formed a 7 cell region, and we are not sure if it is only a 7 cell region or an 8 cell region. It can go anyway. So let us not close the region now, and now this region has to be with the 11 only. Now again a reachability technique is coming here. If you see this 5, it has only 2 possibles, with the 2 or with the 3. If it goes with the 2, it has to go this way and form one more region if possible, or if it goes with the 3, it has to go this way. So anyway, which number will take this cell? Of course the 5 cannot take this cell. Even if it goes with the 2, to reach this cell it will take 5 cells, and if it goes with the 3, to reach this cell it has already formed a 4 cell region, which will close the region. Now this cell has to be taken by some number, and if a 5 takes the 3, this cell is stranded. That means that the 5 will take the 2 this way, and this cell will be taken by the 3. Now the 5 can have a maximum of 4 cells, so it can even go this way, or close the region with 3 cells. Now seeing this 3, it has to go up and cannot connect with the 5 because you will have a 5 cell region. So let's extend the connection, and the 2 possible ways for the 3 to be connected is 13 or 12. It cannot be 13 because the 2 and 5 will be connected to each other, and you need minimum of 3 cells in that region to form a perfect region, and you have only 2 cells. That means this 3 will connect to the 12, and this 5 has to connect with the 2 to form a 3 cell region. Right, now how many cells between 3 and 12 and 3 possible? Maximum 11 cells, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have formed a region now. Exact. What an amazing puzzle. How you just have a look at the beauty of the puzzle, how a number is connected to the other number and eliminates all the other possibilities. Even if it has so many possibilities, all are eliminated with a logical path. Now this cell can be taken by only this 5, and we have formed a 4 cell region here, which makes this cell with the other 5 and 2. Now the 13 has to connect with the 1, no other go. The 13 cannot connect with the 4, then 1 will be standard. So the 13 can be connected with the 1, and we are not sure that the other cells in this area can be taken by the 4 or the 13, because we have already formed a 2 cell region, and 2 cell region is possible between 13 and 1. Now this 4, let us extend this 4. This has to come down because it cannot connect with the 5, neither with the 4, which makes this 4 comes down, and this cell has to be taken by the 4 only now, which goes this way, and the only number the 4 can connect with is 14, no other number, because we have already formed a 7 cell region here, and no other number is greater than 7 here except 14. So we are sure that the 14 is going with the 4, which makes us believe that this 4 has to go with the 6 and this 5 with the 2, right? Now 4 with the 6 has formed a 5 cell region already. We can close this. Now this 4 has to go with the 2, which at last gives only one way to connect the 5 and the 7. I mean to say there is only one region possible now, that is 5 and 7, because 4 is going with the 14 and the only two numbers left are 5 and 7, right? And the number of cells far from 5 and 7 are 6 cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the 5 cannot go up, it has to come down, which makes this 14 here, which means that this cell and this cell cannot be connected to these numbers, this region, because you have a maximum of 4 cells. We are not even sure that this 4th cell will come in this region or not, but if it comes, it can only come till here. So these 3 regions, these 3 cells are a part of 14, and let us count how many cells we have reached here. We can reach only maximum of 13 cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Excellent. What a puzzle, what a beauty. Which means that these 13 and 1 will be connected to each other with the other cells, and if you see now, there are exactly 2 extra cells remaining, 1 2 3 4 5 6 for the 7, and there are 2 cells remaining. One will be taken by the 1 and 9, which forms exactly 8 cell region, right? And one will be taken by 4 and 2, which forms a 3 cell region, and we have completed a puzzle. What an excellent puzzle this was, a really beautiful puzzle. What a solve path. It was excellent puzzle. I really enjoyed this puzzle. I hope you also enjoyed this puzzle. I'll give the link for the puzzle if you want to solve it yourself, and even the link for the gmpuzzles.com. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and comment if you want us to share, if you want us to create any other puzzle video or a Sudoku video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.